Hello guys. Today we're going to be adding three two-digit numbers. All right? So you guys ready? Okay, I'm going to be turning a little bit this way because my screen is a little bit over here, and I'm going to be pointing to the numbers and showing you how to add, okay? So, you can add three numbers in different ways, okay? So you start by adding the ones place first, okay? So here I'm gonna choose a 4 and a 2, okay? So 4 plus 6, I'm sorry, 4 and a 6, that's what I meant, okay? So 4 plus 6 equals 10, okay? So now that I've added 4 plus 6, which equals 10, now I'm gonna add the next digit that was left here, the 2, right? So now 4 plus 6 equals 10. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So now I'm going to write a 12, but the way I write it is 2 goes at the bottom because the 2's in the ones place, and I'm going to regroup the tens place here at the top, all right? So I can focus better, all right? So now I add 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, plus 3 equals 7. Then I write the 7 in the tens place there. So 14 plus 22 plus 36 equals 72. Yay! All right, so here's another way. All right, so you start at the top, and this is my favorite way, by the way, because it goes in order. Okay, so start at the top, and then you add the two digits. So it's 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, so then I add the next digit, which is a 6. Okay, so I'm going to move myself down here. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Awesome. And I'm going to move over here. All right, then I'm going to add all the tens place. Now, remember, guys, I wrote 12 over here, but I wrote the 2 down here, and that because the 2 is in the ones place, and a 1 up here because the 1 is in the tens place. All right, so now I'm going to add all these digits, okay? So 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 2 equals 4, and plus 3 equals 7. Then I write my 7, which is my answer, in the tens place. Yay! And I finish. And that is how you add three numbers of 2 digits. All right? So if you liked how I added, you can practice the next problems that are on this page, okay, the way I showed you how to do it. Or if you like the other video that you watched earlier, then you can add the other way. However you like to add, you can use a paper and pencil to write it down and work your way, and then write your answers here on the Google sheet, on the Google slide. All right, so it says here, click at the bottom of each addition problem. So you have 4 addition problems, and then you click on the top to write down the numbers that you had to regroup when you added your ones place. Okay? All right, guys, good luck with these four problems. If you have any questions, we can talk about it tomorrow, or you can call me, or you can email me. All right? Either way, we'll see each other and have fun doing math. Bye-bye.